In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan Coinbase Bitcoin QR code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Coinbase wallet app, sign in, get to the right place, and use the built-in scanner to capture a Bitcoin address quickly and safely. First, make sure the Coinbase wallet app is installed and updated on your phone, and that you have a reliable internet connection. If you're planning to scan a printed code or one on another screen, good lighting and a clean camera lens will make the scan faster and more accurate. Go ahead and open your Coinbase wallet app. Give it a few seconds to load your balances and recent activity. If you're prompted about security features like a passcode or biometrics, use them. Keeping your wallet locked down is an important part of protecting your funds. Next, log in with your account. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and wait until you're fully signed in. Make sure you're in the correct wallet and that you've selected the account you intend to use. If your app ever asks for camera access later, that's required for scanning QR codes, so be ready to allow it. From the main screen, tap Transfer. Depending on your device, this may appear near the bottom of the screen or at the top of your wallet view. Transfer is where you start when you want to move crypto in or out. Using the scanner here is helpful because it fills in a Bitcoin address automatically, which avoids the risk of typing a long, case-sensitive address by hand. Now tap the QR code icon to open the scanner. Your camera view will appear on screen. Hold your phone steady and center the QR code inside the frame. Avoid glare and reflections if you're scanning from another screen. Within a moment, the wallet should recognize the code and populate the Bitcoin address for you. Take a second to confirm that the network shown is Bitcoin and that the address looks correct. A quick way to spot check is to compare the first and last few characters on the screen with the code's source. If the scanner doesn't respond, check that camera permissions are enabled in your device settings, move a bit closer or farther to help the camera focus, and try again. Only scan codes from sources you trust and never send funds to a code you can't verify. Scanning a code does not expose your private keys, it simply reads the address so you can proceed as you normally would. That's it. Open the app, log in, tap Transfer, and use the QR icon to scan. Simple, fast, and much safer than typing an address manually.